I used to start every morning the same way. Coffee in one hand and the other hand just opening tabs. Email here, CRM there, and the spreadsheet where I actually tracked what was going on, because I didn't trust either of them. By the time I would piece together what happened yesterday, half of my morning was gone, and I hadn't done a single real thing yet. I thought that was just what work supposed to feel like. Turns out I was completely wrong, and the thing that showed me where the real problem was the one that I least expected it to be, and it was 2 years ago I joined a company called CRMOZ. First week I'm bracing for the usual. The pile of logins, that lives in a different tool. The mental map you have to build just to find anything. So I open up a client and everything is just there. The deal, the invoices, the project, the emails, the support history. One screen. I actually paused for a moment because I kept waiting for the catch. Where is the other app? I have to go dig through. There wasn't one. That was my introduction to Zoho One, and I need to explain to you what it actually is, because that one moment is the whole story for me. Zoho One isn't an app, it's around 50 business applications: CRM, email, accounting, projects, help desk, HR, analytics, and I can keep going on and on, under just one subscription, one login, and one admin panel. Instead of 10 disconnected tools, you are constantly stitching together. It's one connected ecosystem, and CRMOZ had been running on it for over 10 years. So I didn't walk into an experiment, I walked into something already dialed in. Here's what got me. It wasn't that the software was impressive, it was how I felt a month in. My mornings changed. I stopped opening 10 tabs. I stopped keeping the trust nobody spreadsheet. When I needed to know what was happening with a client, I looked in one place, and it told me the truth, because every part of the business was feeding the same record. The scattered feeling in my head, that one I thought was just part of the job, it quietly went away. And I realized the reason it felt this good. It wasn't luck. It was the Zoho ecosystem itself, and 10 years of someone setting it up right, which turns out is exactly what CRMOZ does for other businesses. We're an official Zoho partner. Making other people's mornings feel like mine is literally our job. I will come back to that. But first I want to be honest about why this actually works. The good and few real downsides. So what actually makes it this good? 4 things stood out to me. 1. Everything talks to everything. A lead comes into a CRM, becomes a deal, turns into an invoice, becomes a project, and gets supported through a help desk. And it's just one continuous thread. I worked places where connecting 2 tools took a paid integration and, honestly, sometimes even a prayer. Here, it just built in. That connection is the entire magic already. 2. It's genuinely easy once it's dialed in. And I want to be fair here, because this is the honest part. Zoho has a little learning curve upfront, but that curve is a one-time cost. 2 years in, and onboarding a client, pulling a report, automating a workflow, it's fast. Because I'm never fighting 5 different systems that don't know that each other even exists. Easy isn't the first 10 minutes, easy is the next 2 years. 3. One admin panel runs the whole thing. New teammate, one place to give them access to everything. One place to set permissions, one bill. I watched friends at other companies juggle dozen logins, a dozen invoices, and honestly I feel even a little spoiled. And 4. You grow into it, not out of it. Most tools you eventually outgrow and replace. With Zoho One, the capability is already there. You need HR, it's there. You need analytics, already included. You're just switching on things you already pay for, instead of shopping for a new vendor every single quarter. Having everything in one place isn't efficient, it's genuinely just a relief. My brain isn't scattered across 10 browser tabs, and that's honestly the part that I didn't even expect to love. Now, I promised honesty, so here is the flip side. No single app is the absolute number one in its category. Zoho CRM is excellent, don't get me wrong. Is it Salesforce at the extreme high end? No, but here is what 2 years taught me. That's the wrong way to judge it. You're not buying the best individual tool, you're buying the best connected system. And a slightly less flashy app, but the one that talks to everything else, beats a perfect app on an island, every single time. The other honest note, it works this well because it was set up properly. Zoho One with no strategy is 50 apps and a bit of confusion. Zoho One set up right is a business that runs itself. The only difference isn't the software, it's the setup. And that's exactly where I will be straight with you. The reason my day-to-day feels this smooth isn't luck, it's 10 years of the system being built correctly. That's the part you cannot skip. But here is the good news, you don't have to spend 10 years figuring it out. That's literally what we do at CRMOZ. We've implemented Zoho One for 600 plus businesses. We come in, understand how your business actually works, and set it up so it feels like one system from day one. The consolidation, the calm, the everything in one place. You can have all of that. The link to book a free consultation is right below, and it's genuinely free. Worst case, you get a straight answer about whether it fits. 2 years in, my honest take is simple. I didn't switch tools. I switched to actually enjoying how my work is organized. And if you're tired of running your business across 10 disconnected apps, there is a better way, and it's more reachable than you think. If this was useful, subscribe and like this video. We go deep on Zoho every single week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.